Be seated.
My dear brothers and sisters, the stories of our readings today would like us to make things visible, kapansin-pansin. Moses was asked by the Lord to come up with a bronze serpent mounted on a pole so that once it is visible, people can see it. And as they look at it, they gain life through it. Jesus knew on the one hand that by the time of his crucifixion, he will also be lifted up, will be visible to the eyes of those around during that moment, and to the whole world perhaps, so that all who see and believe will have life because of Him. Sa ating pong pananampalataya, sa ating pong simbahan, ginagawa po nating kapansin-pansin ang mga simbolo sa ating simbahan at sa ating buhay bilang mga mananampalataya. We make it sure that we have big crosses visible enough to the community. You get to see the image of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Inside the cathedral, we have beautiful stained glasses. Once in a while, we enthrone saints of the day at the sanctuary. We make things visible so that we can enjoy its beauty. But more than that, bearing in mind our faith life, things are visible so that we can meet God present in those images. We can have life by looking at it, by exalting, by venerating it as God's presence in our midst. It is our prayer, my dear friends, that whenever God is exalted, when God is made visible, we desire and gain life because of it. At hindi nagdadamot si Jesus na maging kapansin-pansin sa atin dahil para sa Kanya tayo maantig at sa Kanya tayo magkaroon ng buhay. Nakakalungkot po isipin dahil madaming gustong magpapansin ngayon sa buhay na ito. Pero madami sa mga nagpapapansinan na ito, sa oras na malapitan mo, ang totoo pala, hindi yan panig sa'yo at hindi kanyan mamahalin. Madaming nagpapapansin pero ayaw magbigay. Madaming nagpapapansin pero hindi nagbibigay buhay. And that is not the case for this cross that we exalt. For at every time that this is made visible, that we honor and exalt this cross, we are given life. God is making Himself visible so that life can be offered and be true for us. Jesus is making Himself visible. At ito yung papansin na hindi tayo bigo. We see Him so that we can have life. We see Him in the faces of people ready to help us. He is being lifted up from the people inspiring us. We see Him lifted up from people, from life, and from experience that can encourage us and strengthen us. Hindi nang bibigo ang Diyos kapag kapansin-pansin siya. He will always be lifted up and exalted. He will always be visible and be life-giving whenever we would see Him. We can see Him, look at Him, be blessed by Him, be loved by Him.